Alright, today's March 25th, Monday. Just got the East Coast Volkswagen about 45 minutes ago. Waited on to get our sales manager meeting. I'm going to take this Jetta down to Mount Pleasant, East Coast Volkswagen. Probably get ready to order me a turbo here sometime today. See if I can get that thing coming in. Still whines when you cut it off. If it's hot. If I let it cool down, it don't whine as much. Taking my coat off. I always let this truck run for like 15 minutes before I take it off and drive it, or before I shut it off. Well, we're gonna see you down there at East Coast Volkswagen in about an hour and a half. All right, I just dropped off here at the East Coast Volkswagen, Mount Pleasant. This is the one you got parked out here on the road. I ordered my turbo coming down the road. I was calling about it before I ordered it, and he said he could, if I bought it today, he could ship it out, and I'd either have it on Wednesday at the latest, I'd have it Thursday. So we're gonna figure out if a person that ain't a mechanic can put it on. I'm gonna load my ramps up and get out here. And I'll see you over at the airport at Avis. All right, I'm at Avis here, and I gotta go to another parking lot that they have to get to my car. He said it's about 10 minutes away, but it don't look like it's gonna be that far away. But we'll see you there when I get there to pick it up. All right, I'm over here at this hold lot. There ain't nobody over here, but they got some new cars and vans. I guess this is where they bring. There's a big truck over there though. It was bringing in new cars over there. It's about 10 minutes away. Now I gotta go to Jones Ford, so it put me a little bit closer to there, but still got me behind a little bit. But whatever. The airport is just right over across the road from them woods. There's a little road there where that truck just went by, and the airport's right there. I think I hear one getting ready to take off. I gotta go to Jones Ford, and this one here goes to Sumter Nissan. This beat up pretty bad, dent wise. We'll see you at Jones Ford. All right, I made it to Jones Ford. It took about 10 minutes to get here, 10 minutes to load it up. Been here about 20 minutes altogether, if that. You have to park out front right here like I did last week. I'm gonna back up now, right there, and then turn out. 526, there's a stoplight right here, and 526 is to the right. Not 526, 26, I'm sorry. And we're gonna head to Moncks Corner now to the Recon lot at Truauto. Last night I said True Value, but it's Truauto. All right, we'll see you there. All right, I just got the Truauto Recon lot, which is over there in the green roof. And I picked up this Chevrolet Cruze. I thought it was a really good, nice looking car, and then I seen where the front end's tore off of it. But yep. Well, now we're gonna hit the road and try to get up to Sumter real quick to drop that Ultimate off. A little bit behind. Sitting here trying to count my money to figure out what I'm making off this load. The Ultimate's still beat up. Can't believe how beat up it is. All right, we're gonna head up to Sumter Nissan right now. All right, I got the Sumter Nissan here about 30 minutes ago. This guy wanted to do a thorough inspection. There was a new guy they hired. I still gotta change my cars, so I just did my 30-minute right here. I'm gonna try to go to Lancaster and deliver the one on the back, the Lexus, and dang ramp about kicked off on that white car unloading, so I brought my wood board off. So I'm gonna strap these down and start heading up to Lancaster, and see where we'll go after that. See you up there. All right, I just dropped this Lexus off at Markdown Motors here in Lancaster, South Carolina. I'm gonna start heading up, deliver this. I don't know if I'll deliver it tonight or in the morning. They said they got a drop box or whatever. I'm gonna start heading that way. I gotta back out here on this road. It's not too busy right here. All right, well, we'll see if I stop or whatever, or up there the other place. I think it's called KTown Motors in Kannapolis. All right, I stayed at this Quality Inn in Rock Hill last night. It's not too bad. He told me I could park in front of this restaurant. They own the restaurant, but they're redoing it, remodeling it. I'm about 48 minutes away from Kannapolis, dropping this car off, and I'm gonna pick up one more that goes to Conway. It's kind of on Independence Boulevard in Charlotte. I got a little bit behind yesterday at Sumter, waiting on a guy to check it in. It took about 40 minutes to check one in, and he was out there looking at it the whole time too. Car's all busted up. Anyway, we're going to hit the road, hopefully drop this off. But they said I could drop it off at nighttime before they get there, and that's fine. I'm just trying to get home. I ordered my gasket kit, or Kristen ordered it this morning for me. Ordered one through Advance and the mile, and then they sent her a thing that said that they ain't got it. They refunded it, so then I ordered one off Amazon. It'll be here tomorrow. So I might get home today and start on this turbo. That way I can get out next week, or as soon as I get that turbo in. God only knows how long that's going to take me, since I ain't never done it. But last night when I cut the truck off, it started grinding pretty good. So hopefully we do make it home. But we'll see you in Kannapolis, hopefully. All right, I'm in Kannapolis at KTown Cars. I just dropped my Chevrolet Cruze off right here. She said they had the median here. They're like, you park right on the white line. She said you can park here across the road at AutoZone. I just parked right here because there wouldn't be much traffic out there. There's quite a few traffic cars though over across the road to AutoZone. Well, I'm gonna load these ramps up and start heading towards Charlotte. I'm supposed to pick one up to go Conway, and be at home. I guess I'll start turning this motor down today. See you in Charlotte. Alright, I'm in Charlotte here on 74. This is the Doge dealership. I asked the mechanic when I got here about 8 o'clock where I should park, and he told me to come down here to this side road, which there's nowhere to turn around. So he told me the wrong way. You cannot go in that way right there. I turned around in that trailer right there. I wasn't supposed to. This guy here's gonna do the same thing. He just pulled up. I'm gonna head to Conway now. It's about 3 hours and 20 minutes from here. I've been here for about an hour and 20 minutes waiting on somebody to give me this car. God help. All right, we're gonna go down the road and wash this truck before you can pull it in the garage today. See you in Conway. Wow, it's Friday. I'm here at Team Dodge. Ordered that turbo Monday, and it was supposed to be here Wednesday from an East Coast warehouse, and then it was latest guarantee it was gonna be Thursday. I'm sorry. I called numerous times. He updated last night and said it'll be here today. But I'm gonna run these two 2500s up towards Charlotte, just to make a little something, since I'm going to tear my truck apart, put the turbo on it. I'm going to see how it does today. I may actually work a little bit next week before I put the turbo on. But we're going to start heading to Charlotte right now to deliver these two, to make a little something. I was hoping I'd have my truck tore apart right now, but with that turbo, I wasn't going to tear it apart until I got that turbo. But we're going to start hitting the road, and I'll see you up that way, hopefully. Alright, it's about 12:30. I just got here, Auto Kingdom in Charlotte. 74, if you turn out this road right here and head to the right. 74, I think it's like only a mile down the road, if that. I've never been in this area here. I moved this Dodge back. I'm going to take it to Gastonia now. I don't know how far it'll take me, or how long it'll take me. Probably about an hour at most. But we'll see you there when I get there. Drop it off real quick. Alright, I'm at Real Steel Auto Sales in Gastonia. He's got a bunch of trucks like I hauled up here. You have to park in the road. And then if they were closed, they wanted to take a car somewhere else, but they're open. Let's see here. Well, I don't know where I'm going to go right after this. I'm going to sit right here for about 3 minutes and find me a place. Alright, I just came on up to Statesville and grabbed this one. It goes to Pawleys Island. I want to deliver it tomorrow though. It's brand new. Got 1.2 miles on it. Looking at the price on it, I think it's like 50. I think it says 50, 49,000 or something like that. This is Manheim, Statesville. I was calling about one more, and I had to send it, fill out a compliance package as I'm on my way up. I'm gonna run over here to the store over here and get diesel, and hopefully they call me back. They may not call me back though. Yeah, they may not have processed it that quick. I'm gonna go get me some diesel and probably start heading home, but I'm gonna try to go get one more, but about 20, probably about 80% sure I'm not getting it. All right, well, I found another, which I was actually working on it when I got to Gastonia, and it just took them a while to approve it. I got a 2024 Chevrolet Colorado here. It's paying $2.74 a mile to go to Conway. It's right under, like, maybe 190, 195 miles there. I can't deliver it till Monday. It goes to some yard mulch place or something like that, I think. But I can't deliver till Monday. And last night, Reddy gave me to Monday to deliver this truck, so that'll work great. This is Park Chevrolet in Kernersville. You remember the old commercials with the little chicken with the wheels for legs. We're going to start heading home, and probably stay here for about 10 more minutes, because I'm doing my 30-minute break here if I haven't already stopped somewhere 30 minutes today. I'm going to look right here in a minute, but I'm going to start heading home. See you tonight when I get home, or tomorrow morning. Alright, it's about 8:30 at night. We're going to call it right there. The next, so I can't deliver these trucks until Monday next week, or this week coming up. I could probably take the Ford on down, but this truck here is going to like a garden center, so I can't do it until Monday. So we'll call this as a video right now, and kick back next week as I deliver those two. Today surprised me because I only went to deliver those, or pick up those two Dodges, and then I was coming home, and I had booked that F-150 last night, but I was about to talk myself out of it. I felt like my grandpa was with me today, telling me I better get up there and get it. So I went and got it, and when I went, that Colorado, price per mile for the distance it's came, is probably my highest paid car for the distance with the mile. So it was like 190 miles to deliver it, and I think I calculated it up. It's like $263 a mile is what it's paying. I felt like I fell on a horseshoe or something with that one. But we're gonna call it a night. We'll call it a video. We'll pick up next week. All right. See you next week. Thanks for watching, subscribing, whatever. The turbo for my truck came in today, but heck, I think I may try to go out next week with it before I put it on. We'll see you next week. Thank you. I made me an attachment to flush this radiator out the rest of the way. Let's see if it works.